No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you. Ah!
Welcome, my fiends, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex! Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight, me favorite Rivet will fight the traitorous pirates! One
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have dangerous battle arena?
Fight you both myself! But first, you must prove you're worthy!
You are looking worse for wear. The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Yes! Tearing through the traffic of space-time! A true pirate signature! Oh! Il! Sacré bleu! Oh! I sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your bath.